Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Install Voice Aloud Reader and grant required permissions so reading works reliably. Once done, open the document or web page and select the text you want read. You can also use the system's share menu to send content to the reader. Make sure to set the primary voice and language in settings before playback, because early choices affect pronunciation and pacing. This sets a solid baseline, so subsequent controls behave predictably. Now configure how it reads. Choose a voice and adjust rate and pitch until sentences sound natural to you. Once configured, enable text highlighting and navigation options so you can follow along and jump between paragraphs. This improves comprehension. If you work without internet, make sure offline voices are downloaded, because streaming voices change latency and quality. Finally, test with a typical article to verify that pronunciation, abbreviations, and line breaks are handled correctly. To finish, save your profile and create presets for articles, books, or emails so you don't repeat setup. Once done, use the queue or export feature to schedule long documents and keep playback consistent. Make sure your device audio output and volume limits are correct to avoid clipping. If playback stutters or voice drops, try switching to an offline voice or restart the app. That resolves most issues quickly because it clears streaming buffers and resets the voice engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.